What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Sorry I'm looking busted and disgusted and probably sound the same way, but your girl been sick. But it's 2022 and we taking care of our hair. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first we're starting off with a pre-pooing. So I'm going to use this As I Am Jamaican black castor oil and water mixture. I was running out, so I put more water in it. But that mixed with Briogeo, which is the products I used last week. If you haven't seen it, please go and watch it. I'll put the card up top. But I'm using their conditioner in order to go ahead and pre-poo my hair. I'm just making sure I get it very moisturized and detangled before I start the washing process. Now that I've done most of the finger detangling, I'm going in with my flexi brush in order to get even more of the tangles out, pretty much the rest of the tangles out. So I'm gonna do that on this side and then the other side, and pretty much eventually my whole head. This is how I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna skip that top bun part because y'all already see what I'm doing right here at the bottom. Now that I'm finished with the pre-pooing process, I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, and I'm gonna be washing my hair with the Briogeo shampoo and deep conditioning with the apple honey vegan mask, and I'm gonna leave it on for about 2 minutes and then rinse it out while I'm still in the shower. Okay, so I was just killing two birds with one stone and doing my face mask, so that's why my face is shiny. So I thought I'd show you. That's what I was using, Peter Thomas Roth. But now that I'm finished in the shower, I'm gonna be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle line, their Max Hold styling gel. But first, I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I definitely feel the difference and see the difference with my hair compared to week 1 and week 2 to now week 3. I have less frizz in my hair. It's holding more moisture, especially at the top. So I'm so thankful this is working, and of course it will, because the more water, more moisture, the better the curls will be popping and healthier your hair is. So let me know if, like, week 4 or week 5, the last week, y'all want me to just show you comparisons and tell you pretty much how I feel and see the difference in my hair. Let me know in the comments below. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to your girl, hit that like button, comment down below if you like these videos and keeping up with me and my hair week by week, no matter if it's a style, no matter if it's a wash and go. But we about to get healthy in 2022, playing no games, sick and all. I'm going to post. But all right, you guys, see you in the next one. Bye.